1,000. Perfectly done, guys. 5,000, $10,000. My friends, welcome back to the coolest channel on the YouTube concerning binary options trading. Your God bless trader millionaire Michael Trader is here. I'm here to make you millionaires, to make you rich men, my friends. And if you want to know how to do this, you should just watch this video and be with your sugar daddy Michael Trader. So let's do that shit. So my friends, today as always I'm just using two indicators, Parabolic SAR and Stochastic Oscillator. So now we're opening the first buy position. As you can see, we're now in the cool up going trend, very strong. Price is going to make the new maximum, the new high. We're investing $400 in this trade. We're using only short time period of just 1 minute together with investing the whole deposit in each trade. This is helping me to save my time and to pump my deposit as fast as possible. Now we're just focused on this trade. We're just waiting for our cash in my hands. So let's see what market will bring to us here. I will mute my phone because someone is sending me messages. I don't want to see the shit while I'm trading because I'm focused on this shit. I am always focused on my money, on my subscribers. I am always focused on you, my friends. My heart belongs to you. My thoughts belongs to you. Full my body belongs to my subscribers. Because I really want to make you millionaires. Okay, so we did it. The first trade was profitable one. Now we're checking USD BRL chart. As you can see, according to the Stochastic Oscillator, we have good capacity for the growth, and we're opening buy position and continuation of this growth. So we have invested $758 from the support line zone. As you can see, we're receiving good pullback reaction. I'm sure that we will continue growing here. Okay, my friends, we are going exactly as I said. We are making the new high. Now we're receiving a short reaction from the small resistance zone. I'm sure that we will break through it. Let's just wait a little bit. We need to wait some seconds left and get our profit from this trade. Yep, continue growing, please. I want to see my money. I want to get them all. Yep, guys, we did it. We have $1,500 on the account. I have already, not yet, I'm going to change my investment to 1,000, I think $1,400. Give me some time for that shit. I will think a little bit right now. So I have changed my investment to $1,000 for now, in order to have $400 left on the account as my hedge asset. Now I'm going to choose the next currency pair to trade it. Okay, so let's check Euro USD currency pair. What can we find here? So perfectly done, my friends. We have invested $1,000. As you see, we're receiving good pullback reaction from the resistance line zone. We have shown the bearish consumption of the current bullish trend, of the current bullish candle. Bearish consumption was done. This is a very good and strong candle pattern, after which I expect good drop. So that's why I invested $1,000 here. Perfectly done, guys. Just look at this shit. We have around $2,300 on the account. That's really nice. That's really good. Let's check USD BRL. So here, once again, according to the Stochastic Oscillator, price is overbought, and we will highly likely show the short-term downgoing correction from that zone. That's why we have opened two sell position, investing $2,000 here. My friends, please, while we are waiting for the result, don't forget to check the description, subscribe to my private TG, get access to educational materials, trading signals and daily analysis. And together with this, don't forget to write me private message in the TG telling me that you want to become VIP member. After this, I will automatically give you access to my private VIP channel, in which each day at the scheduled time I'm holding the same kind of online trading sessions for all my subscribers. You can get for free trading signals from me, use them and get a profit from this trading. So everything is for free. Each day at the scheduled time you will get your signals. and monetize them and get money from them. So everything depends on you. Subscribe right now and get your cash. Okay guys, so we got our profit from this trade. We have around $4,000 on my account. If you remember, we started with just $400 and we have already turned them into $4,000. That's really nice. That's really good. Now let's check some new currency pairs. First of all, Euro GPI. What can we find here? So according to this trade, we have touched the level of resistance, after which I expect a good pullback reaction. We have invested $4,000 here in the sell position. Price now is going to show the pullback reaction from the zone, and we're receiving it. Very good pullback reaction, really nice, really splendid. So it's going exactly as I predicted. Everything is going really well. Price is doing what I want from it. Perfectly done. Oh shit, we have 5,000 and around $6,000 in the account, around $6,000. Not all trades were profitable, but all in all, we got our profit from this trade. We are in profit. We have around $6,000. That's nice. That's good. I think we will open the last trade for today. Give me some time for analyzing the market. I will find the best of the best trades right now. Just give me some seconds, my friends, and I will do this. Let's check Audi CD. Okay, so what can we find here? Price now is showing us that it's ready for the continuation of the current growth. Sellers don't have enough power to break through the support line, and I'm expecting the impulse movement from this liquidity zone. We have invested $5,000 in the buy position. $5,000 are invested here. And yep guys, we did it. We did it. Just look at this shit. $10,000 in our account. We got this shit. We got this money. It's done guys. We have $10,000 in the account. It's so fucking crazy. If you want to do the same results like me, subscribe to my TG right now and be a millionaire. Be in my dream team. Do this right now. It's absolutely free. So thank you for your attention, my dear friends. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.